Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it keeps crashing on the application of Brave. If we go to settings, in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Brave and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. As you see, then you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support